said, we are into many industries: oil and gas, IT, telecom, aviation. So we thought that this is an opportunity to just spend time with you all. And thank you very much. I would also like to tell you or inform you that going ahead, we would like to uh, have a series of webinars, knowledge sharing webinars being delivered on topics so that it builds up a value in you on project management and business analysis. Uh, our CEO, Dr. Promode Kumar, will be uh, continuing with these knowledge sharing webinars. He's a veteran, well experienced, and driving all these initiatives. So now I'm open for the questions. Any questions, please?